Best camera for wildlife photography. Wildlife photography continues to gain popularity among nature enthusiasts, travelers, and aspiring professionals who want to capture animals in their natural habitats. Choosing the right camera is crucial, as wildlife subjects often move quickly and require strong zoom capability, fast autofocus, and dependable image stabilization.
Product number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a strong entry-level DSLR that offers solid image quality and ease of use, making it ideal for wildlife enthusiasts beginning their photographic journey. It features a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor paired with Canon's Digi 4+ imaging processor, delivering clear and vibrant shots even when zooming into detailed subjects like birds or distant animals. The camera's built-in Wi-Fi makes it easy to transfer photos directly to a phone or tablet while in the field. This bundle typically includes both an 18 to 55 mm and 75 to 300 mm zoom lens.
Product number 2. The Sony Alpha A6400 Mirrorless Camera, APS-C. The Sony Alpha A6400 is a compact yet powerful mirrorless camera well regarded for its excellent autofocus system, crucial for tracking unpredictable wildlife. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and lightning-fast real-time IAF and object tracking, it ensures subjects remain sharply in focus. Its lightweight design makes it easier to carry on long hikes or expeditions compared to heavier DSLR models. The A6400 shoots up to 11 frames per second, allowing photographers to capture rapid action sequences, such as birds.
Product number 3. Panasonic Lumix FZ80D Point-and-Shoot Digital Camera. The Panasonic Lumix FZ80D is a standout bridge camera featuring an incredible 20 to 1200 mm zoom range, making it particularly valuable for wildlife photography at long distances. Its fixed Leica DC Vario lens offers superb optical reach without requiring lens changes, which is helpful when shooting quick movements or unpredictable outdoor conditions. The 4K photo mode enables users to extract high-resolution stills from 30 FPS bursts, making it easier to freeze fast wildlife motions.
Product number 4. Nikon D3200 24.2 megapixel CMOS digital SLR camera. The Nikon D3200 offers impressive still image clarity with its 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, delivering high-resolution wildlife shots with strong color and detail. This DSLR is designed with accessibility in mind, featuring Nikon's Guide mode to help new photographers learn key shooting techniques while in the field. With the included 18 to 55 mm and 55 to 200 mm lenses, the D3200 provides a practical focal range for capturing wildlife at various distances. Autofocus performance is reliable for beginner and intermediate photographers, though not as fast as that of modern mirrorless systems. Its battery life is notably strong.
Product number 5. Kodak PixPro AZ528 Digital Camera. The Kodak PixPro AZ528 is a budget-friendly long-zoom digital camera suited for wildlife photographers who prefer simplicity and reach in a single package. Equipped with a 52x optical zoom lens, it allows users to frame animals from a distance without disturbing them. The 16-megapixel sensor captures balanced detail, and the built-in image stabilization helps maintain clarity when shooting handheld at maximum zoom. Its compact and lightweight design makes it suitable for day trips, nature walks, and casual wildlife observation. While it does not match the speed or low-light capabilities of DSLR or mirrorless systems, the AZ528 offers